In this video we will show you sub-option for osCommerce version 4.x installation on your own server single active sales channel. If you need to have the single active sales channel only while installing the osCommerce 4.x version on your own server, first watch the video osCommerce version 4.x installation on your own server for multiple sales channels and then watch this video. In order to choose the single active sales channel while installing the osCommerce 4.x version on your own server, select the required sales channel from the drop-down list at the fourth step as well as fill in the required fields and click on Update Database button. Here we chose single sales channel using theme and choose furniture. All other steps are the same to main installation, see corresponding video. Click on Sales Channels tab to confirm that the chosen single sales channel has been activated and the other sales channels are inactive, but can be used for reference in the future if necessary. Only furniture is active and the other sales channels are inactive. Click on Design and CMS and Themes tab to confirm that the furniture theme has been installed as well as other themes have been installed and can be used for reference in the future if necessary. Here is the furniture theme and the other themes. You can start configuring your website further. See the links to the videos below demonstrating the osCommerce version 4.x installation via Install osCommerce for me and Let Me Install Myself options.